أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So alhamdulillah, we are on the lesson number 2. We learn on the letter first of the alphabet, alif, and the second letter of alphabet is ba.
Good.
As we said, the alif has mentioned in the Quran hundreds of thousands of millions times maybe, and ba as well. And we try now to move forward in another letter. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Nice. Very good. Ba, reading please tell me.
The second letter of the alphabet. And as we said, it's mentioned in the Quran
I am sending
billion times.
you this. Please use this picture. Okay? Yeah, use this picture, inshallah, for strong understanding this better. Okay, open it please. First letter is
I open it. Alif.
Alif. Okay. Alif, pronouncing place which empty side of mouth. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, empty. From empty mouth.
Oh,
Alif. Say
Alif.
Okay. Yeah. Alif. Okay. Please. Next one. Ba pronouncing place.
Ba. The second pronounce is ba.
Pronouncing place. When you will tip.
B-A-A.
Yeah.
B-A-A.
Nice. And when you will touch upper lips.
So the second letter which we studied yesterday, we're trying to go over it. Ba. The upper lip, you touch the down one.
Yeah.
And you keep it for a second. Ba.
Nice. MashaAllah. Okay. We are starting now third letter of alphabets of Arabic. That's in which color? New page I send you.
It's in yellow, the one you sent it to me.
Yellow. It's how many dots? Top and down?
So top, it's 2 dots.
2 dots. Their name is ta. Tip of your tongue and touch upper 2 middle teeth. Upper 2 middle teeth,
yes.
Tip of your tongue. Okay, touch ta. Yeah. Nice. Same word also, this ta, billions times using in Arabic, in Quran, in all Arabic books. Okay, yeah, our religion in Arabic. Okay, then all letters using from this 32 alphabets. Yeah. When you will expert on this alphabets, then you will expert, inshallah, all Arabic.
Inshallah.
Quran also in Arabic language. Hadith also in Arabic language. Seerah Prophet life also in Arabic language. Complete Islam also in Arabic language. And Arabic language root these 32 letters, alphabet of Arabic. Its name is alphabet of Arabic. Alif, Ba, Ta. It's 33 letters. Okay, if we are completed, please repeat it sometimes without with rules, please. With rules and with dots.
I see. I'm gonna start to repeat it sometime by myself, is going to be very important. Inshallah. Inshallah, it's going to be very easy for me.
One time, please.
So,
3 letters.
the one, okay, so we are, yes, alif, ba, ta. Today we are starting the ta, which is a T-A-A. Touch
Aista.
the ta, which touch the tongue, touch upper teeth to the middle teeth, going down with the lower lip. Ta, ta.
Ta, ba, ta. Okay. Nice, brother. Mashallah, mashallah. Also, if you interested, then I give you next letter. That same reading. This ta
Inshallah.
and that tha. Ta, tha.
Sa.
Ta, it's was ta, that's tha. Soft letter. Same pronouncing place. Tha, tha. Okay? Tha.
Ta.
Soft letter.
Sa.
Soft letter. Yeah. Soft letter. Okay?
Inshallah. Yes, brother, inshallah. Definitely.
Yeah. Ta. How many dots?
The ta has 2 dots. Sa has 3 dots on top.
Tha pronouncing place.
T-A-A. T-A-A as the ta pronounce.
Pronouncing place?
The pronouncing place is the tongue.
Tip
the
of
tongue meeting the middle, meeting the middle of the teeth, upper and lower level, by going towards down.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah. I am giving you an example. Ta spellings in English, yellow color ta. Alif, A-L-I-F, alif. Okay. Next one, ba, B-double-A, ba. Next one, ta, T-double-A, ta. Then tha, T-H-A, T-H-A, tha.
Tha. Okay.
Tha, T-H-A, tha. 3 dots.
Yes.
Upper.
Tha.
Tha.
Oh, I
T-H-A.
see.
Understand? I think. I hope you understand now.
Of course.
Tha. Yeah.
I see.
Alif spellings.
So, brother, I'm going to...
Alif spellings, please. One time. In English.
T-H-A. Tha.
Mashallah. 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 Tha. Alif spell, please.
T-H-A.
No.
Tha.
Alif. First letter on this page.
Alif.
Letter.
I'm sorry. A-L-I-F. Alif.
Next. Which spell?
B-A-A. Ba.
Okay. Next.
T-H-A. Tha. Tha.
From the ba again, read. From the ba. Ba read.
From the ba, it's B-A-A. Ba.
Next.
T-H-A.
No.
Tha.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
T-A. Only T-A.
Oh, okay. So T-A-A, right?
Yeah.
T-A. Tha.
And next one.
And then after that is the T-H-A. Tha.
Now T-H-A. Before T-A-A. Now.
After T-H-A.
3 dots is tha. T-H-A. Tha. And before yellow, T-A-A. Only. This ta and then tha. Okay. Yeah. 3 dots. Tha. Soft letter. Tha. Okay. And before is.
Understand? Subhanallah. No, I got you, brother. Subhanallah.
I think you understand now, mashallah.
Yes.
Please explain.
So let's start from the first one. As we said, Aleph. So Alif, Aleph. The second letter Ba. It's a Baa, Ba. Then we have the third letter with the two dots. Taa, Ta. Just Ta. Then the third letter, it's a Tha, Ta, Ta. So we write it. It's a.
One time again, explain, please.
So the fourth letter, which we are jumping on the second letter for today, which is the fourth of alphabet, we write it Saa, but we say like Ta, Ta, with three dots.
Nice, mashallah.
Ta,
Mashallah,
Ta.
you are reading good, alhamdulillah. Okay, one time more, please. Alif spell. It's a practice. Don't mind. It's
Yeah, of course. It helps a lot, brother. When I practice with you a lot like this,
mashallah.
I, Alhamdulillah, I would like to do
I
much
am
more, but better like this.
I
Better.
am
This is much
I,
better.
I I don't like burden. I don't like doing on your burden on with your homework. I am not giving you homework. We are practicing in class only. Okay, you are a busy man.
Alhamdulillah, brother.
I think
It's
you are a
this
busy.
is so much better.
Yeah.
Yes, brother. That's true. And I want to be honest because even if you record, I want your students to listen to this because first day when I started Aleph, right? Alhamdulillah, I thought, oh my God, this is very like short. I didn't learn nothing, but wallahi, uh, especially yesterday, the second class, only jumping to the ba, right? That we went to the ba. So, and today, it's which class is today? Third or fourth? It's third because one we didn't keep it. But, anyways, today in the morning, I understood how much better it's to go letter by letter, class by class in each letter. It's so much helpful because I can focus with you. One letter, two letter, one class is very helpful.
Mashallah. If you will focus on these 32 letters, then you will expert, inshallah, complete Arabic language. It's my challenge.
Inshallah, brother.
It's my challenge. Only understand these 32 letters, inshallah. Basics of Arabic, these 32 letters.
Thank you for not giving me homework because this is much better. Like this, I can focus with you a lot.
Yeah, I am not giving you homework because you are very busy, and
Correct.
I am giving you practice. I am doing with you practice in class only. Okay. Yeah. Good. Mashallah. It's good for you. It's better for you. Okay. One time with spell alif ba ta sa. Complete.
So we're gonna go with Alif, Alif, Alif. The second letter it's Ba on the Arabic, and in English spell it's Baa, Ba. The third letter it's Taa, which is a Ta, Ta, Ta. The fourth letter it's a Tha, Ta. We write it, you can see Saa, but we say it like Ta, Ta. We put a little bit S, Ta.
I am giving you big example now for 32 letters. It's 32 letters using billions times in Arabic language, in Quran, complete Hadith books, Sunnah books, Quran books. Okay, one by one. I am not giving you. I don't give you one by one example. Okay, it's time wasting. I am giving you example complete 32 letters using billion times in Arabic languages. Okay, yeah,
I
it's
see.
yeah.
That's exactly yes.
Also, we are reading today our lesson two letters of from alphabets. That's ta and tha, ta and tha. Okay, it's two letters
Stop.
also using billion times in complete Arabic language, Arabic books. Okay, you are understanding you are not understanding only two letters, because you are understanding in today's class billions letters.
Which again?
Billion letters.
Billion letters.
You are learning. I am teaching, you are learning in 30 minutes class.
Billion letters, correct.
No, billion letters, because with different shapes will come from this 32 letters. From 32 letters
From
will
these
come
two
all letters.
different shapes.
Yeah,
All
joining,
letters. Yes,
yeah.
inshallah.
After that,
it's gonna be
it's alphabets. Okay, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U W X Y Z. It's alphabet, basics, root, and after that coming different shapes, and after that joining rules. Then after that rules, past, continue, present, which, okay. Same reading, same understanding of Arabic, this Quranic language. Okay, I am teaching you, and now alphabets. Okay, it's basic. After that, we alphabets will come with different shapes. Okay, after that, when we will complete that rule. After that, with rules we will read. With rules, past rules, continued rules, joining rules. Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah. Okay.
This is long journey, inshallah.
A P A double P L E. It's from alphabets of English, but we are applying on rule. On this rule, apple shape. Okay.
Alhamdulillah, I see,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah,
I
yeah,
see. And I'm writing them down while talking to you. I'm writing them down with my pen. When I talk to you, I write them down, everything here.
Yes, brother. Okay, mashallah, you are understanding. I hope you understand now, mashallah. Okay, now you
Absolutely.
can.
I'm sorry if I don't understand sometime. I'm sorry, but more I do with you, I practice. It's much easy.
Okay.
I cannot practice by myself. I try so hard.
Practicing is not required in homework. It's no. I was tell you in first class. Allah said in Quran is the understanding is very easy. Okay, I am not giving you homework. It's burden. Okay,
Bravo.
I am giving you only practicing in this 30 minutes class. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah,
Very
mashallah,
important.
mashallah. Now you can start, brother. Before entering the toilet, dua.
Before entering the toilet, the dua in toilet, right? Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khabas.
Before Allahumma inni
Bismillah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahi Allah. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khabais. Bismillahi. A'udhu bika. Bismillahi. All right. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min. Bismillahi. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika. أعوذ بك من الخبث والخبائث.
Nice.
بسم الله.
Before entering the toilet, what you will read before entering the toilet? With which foot you will enter?
With the left foot I enter the toilet.
Before entering the toilet, after entering the toilet, you will read this dua. In which time?
This dua I read before I enter the toilet with the left foot.
Yeah, before entering the toilet, you will read this dua. What's dua? Complete dua, it's no. Complete dua is starting from Allahumma, no. From Bismillahi Allahumma.
Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min.
Yeah, Bismillah part of this dua.
Bismillah.
Bismillah, basic part of this dua. Don't read without Bismillah.
Anything you do, Bismillah, or A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Always, also before reading the Quran and everything, especially first surah and first rakah, you do A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. And when especially you do dua, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillah, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is.
MashaAllah. After outing the toilet, which dua?
So after entering the toilet, brother, I
After
forgot that dua.
after outing the
Out.
toilet. Entering, no.
No entering, yes. The one is with W, I forgot.
After outing the toilet, when you will out from toilet, then read.
It was one word. It was one word. I forgot. If you can read it.
غفرانك 20 times repeat
Oh,
it.
now, brother.
غفرانك
Oh,
غفرانك غفرانك. Which?
Gufronaka. 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 When I outside the toilet, when I go outside the toilet, I go with right foot. Gufronaka. When I enter the toilet with the left foot, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min al-khubsi wal khaba'is.
Oh, Shaykh, brother Shaykh, Allahumma no. Bismillah Allahumma.
Bismillah.
After 20 times repeat it.
Subhanallah.
20 times
Subhanallah.
please repeat with me 20 times. It's your exercise, it's your practice. Bismillah Allahumma. Bismillah Allahumma. Bismillah Allahumma. Please repeat.
Bismillahi Allahumma. 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 Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi Allahumma. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi Allahumma. Bismillahi Allahumma. Bismillahi Allahumma anni. Bismillahi. Bismillahi a'udhu bika. Bismillahi. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. This is when I enter the toilet with my left foot. Before I enter my toilet with my left foot, Bismillahi a'udhu bika. Bismillahi. So before I enter that toilet with my left foot, Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. So we do this before we enter the toilet with the left foot, because there are jinns, women and men, and we have to be protected, inshallah, from subhanahu wa ta'ala. And always enter with the left foot, and before entering you do the dua. Always before dua you have to say Bismillahi. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. When we leave the toilet, go outside the toilet, we say Ghufranaka. Ghufranaka. We leave the toilet with the right foot, and we always say Ghufranaka. Ghufranaka. Allah may forgive us. Allah forgive us. So that's the meaning. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is. Bismillahi Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubsi wal khaba'is.
Okay, we are reading today increasing the knowledge dua. Which dua?
Dua for entering the toilet.
No.
Oh, I'm
Can
sorry.
you hear me correctly?
Yes, again.
And my voice is correct and slow.
Okay.
My voice coming correct and coming slow.
Okay, so we are today practicing.
Can you hear me correctly, brother?
Yes, I can hear you correctly now.
Okay, now we are starting dua for increasing the knowledge. Which dua? Dua for increasing the knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Which dua?
For
Rabbi.
increasing the knowledge.
Which dua? Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Rabbi zidni.
Rabbi zidli ilma.
Rabbi zidni ilma.
Rabbi zidni ilma. Can you say it again, brother? Rabbi. Oh, Rabbi, yeah, Allah. That's Allah, Rabbi, alhamdulillah. Rabbi, dua for increasing the knowledge, inshallah, alhamdulillah.
Nice.
This should be my favorite dua.
I send you this one. Please memorize it now. Rabbi zidni ilma.
Alhamdulillah.
Rabbi,
dua for increasing in knowledge.
My Lord, increase me in knowledge.
Takim from the Quran. It's Surah 20th.
Yeah, it's
Surah 20th. Not chapter, ayah. No, people say chapter, no chapter, ayah. This is very important.
Okay,
I know that.
Yeah, mashallah, very good, brother. And now you close your eyes. One time with close your eyes, and one time open your eyes and read it dua. Memorize it dua.
So it's Rabb. Can you repeat it again? And I can, because I want to write it. Rabbi inni.
Rabbi zidni. Okay, wait. I am Roman English.
Rabbi zidni. It's okay. Rabbi zidni.
One second. Rabb.
No. Rabbi zidni.
Zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Okay, this dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Okay, please open it. I send you now. 5 minutes.
Yes, I got it now.
Yeah, it's your homework. Can you like homework only for this dua?
Of course, absolutely, inshallah.
It's very easy. Okay, brother?
Oh, yes, brother. Of course, for the sake of Allah. Yes,
sometime
inshallah.
repeat it. Rabbi zidni ilma. Sometime repeat it.
Rabbi zidni ilma. Rabbi zidni ilma. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allah increase my knowledge. Allah increase my knowledge.
Okay, brother. Okay, mashallah. You are ready, very good. It's your homework, okay? Our class time finish also. And take care, brother. Allah give you health. Allah give you happiness. Okay, my brother.
Inshallah. Thank you, brother, so much. May Allah bless you.
Mashallah. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Take care, my dear brother.
Wa alaikum assalam.